Nice and peaceful this morning. We can't even take really any videos at our evening visits because of the cicadas. They're so loud. You can't even hear you can't hear anything. It sounds like construction in the background or something. There's our Gracie. Hi, Grace. And Party is home. Party was not home for a couple days, and she scared the pants off me. Didn't you, honeys? And it's so great to have you home. She seemed to have had a little scare. Yeah. But she's doing okay. She's doing okay. Not quite herself, but she's getting there. Right, honeys? Right, my gorgeous girls. Hey there, Scout. Hey, Oj. Billy. Beauty. Alright, we better get serving.